Communication Mastery by Rahul Bhatnagar presents the India's biggest online public speaking championship, and this is my official entry for round 1. Hi, good evening, my dear friend. It's Michael over here, Sando super and loving parent, a beloved brother, mathematics lover, English lover, and now social media marketer. Today, I'm just going to talk about why should we always work with a long-term mindset. Before that, we must come to know what is long-term mindset. So, long-term mindset means if I have a goal, so how can I achieve my goal in a long term, not in a short term. For example, if I want to earn 1 crore in next 1 year and this is my target, this is my goal. So how can I achieve my goal with a long term mindset? But after that, here the main question comes. The question is why should we always work with a long term minds? As we all know, my dear friends, if we want to achieve something in our life, so for that we will have to do work hard in a long term. But nowadays, what is going on? Approximately 97% people in the world don't want to do work with a long-term mindset because they think if they have set a goal now without doing more efforts, without putting more efforts in a long term, they want to achieve that goal in a short term, which they have set. So, my dear friends, according to you, what do you think? Are they doing right? No, absolutely not. They are not doing right. They are doing wrong. And my dear friend, similarly like that, if you are also trying to achieve your goal in the same way, then I'm 100% sure, or I can say, you can also never get success in your life. Because my dear friend, success comes from excellence. Success comes from excellence, and excellence comes from when you do a lot of hard work in your life in a short term. So without excellence, you can never get whatever you want to get. So there are many examples, but today I want to give you an example of Elon Musk. So do you know who is Elon Musk? Elon Musk is a founder of many different companies, many leading companies like SpaceX, Tesla, the Boring Company, and Hyperloop. He is also known as innovator and risk taker. As we all know, Elon Musk failed lots of time when he was establishing his companies. But now today, he's the richest man on the earth. Have you ever thought why is he the richest man on the earth? My dear friend, he's just richest man on the earth just because of his never give up attitude. And as you can see, my dear friend, this man failed a lot of time. But after that, he never gave up or he worked hard for their goals to get excellent. That's why he is successful. And my dear friends, no doubt, we can also become successful like that. We can also become successful like that. But first we need to what do we need to do it? First we need to make a goal and work for it with a long-term mindset. And in last, I just want to say, my dear friend, nothing becomes beautiful without hard work. Nothing becomes beautiful without hard work, and nothing is impossible. So stand up now and make a goal now and work it passionately. And definitely, no one can snatch your success from you. No one can defeat you. No one can stop you to become successful in your life. So, in last, I just want to say one thing: success is yours. Success is yours, but it is up to you. You want or not. So hi, so thank you guys for listening me with a great patience and have a wonderful thank you.